I love it. It's thick and heavy and sturdy. Very good quality for a meticulous lady like me. 5 stars. It is good and easy to use. I recently had my stroller stollen, but it won't happen again. Good quality, easy to use, no need for the key. After I have lost several keys for my bike locks, I finally decided to switch to keyless. This coiling bike lock cable is easy to use, to line up numbers to set, reset the password or unlock the bike. The lock appears in perfect sizing, the mounting works well for my bike. The most important thing is this bike lock is very sturdy and strong. I would expect it to provide strong safety, protection from stolen. So easy to line up combination numbers, smooth, easy rolling the numbers. I use it on my e-bike. The mount is holding up well. I will use it for locking my camera gear bag, so it double useful. I would get another one. Perfect for a bike as it is very easy to lock and don't have to carry a key always with me. Just lock it by the number and leave it as it is. No more hassle of where the key is and where the lock is. Overall, this is a good product and I highly recommend friends or family give it a try. I purchased the NDakter bike lock cable, 4 feet high security 5-digit resettable combination coiling bike cable lock, bicycle cable lock for bicycle outdoors, 1.2 meters by 12 millimeters as a gift for my son who wants to ride a bicycle to work this year as a means of exercise. He needed a nice strong lock to protect his bike. This is a very strong steel cord which would be extremely difficult to break and has a 4-number combination lock which can produce 1,000s of sequences that make it impossible to guess the combination. Click link in description for more reviews.